Machinery and equipment play an essential role in improving agricultural production today, helping farmers to grow more with less. Technology provides the power to cultivate land more effectively and efficiently than ever before.
Machinery in most any business is a critical component to keeping the operation moving. At a farm, machinery is really the heartbeat. It's the lifeblood of the operation. Farmers face a lot of challenges, and we don't want their equipment to be another one of those challenges. Knowing that your equipment is fit, ready to be out in the field, that's going to make you more efficient as a farmer, saving you time and money. And in lubrication, we can also save time and money through our programs. So oil analysis programs, that's a way for us to allow the farmers to really monitor their oil, to maximize the potential of that oil, and even to take a look at that oil and extend the drain intervals, the hours and the miles that oil can go.
Investing in machinery can boost farm productivity, improve land usage, and increase profits. However, recent regulations and EPA standards are pushing the industry to update engine designs to address environmental concerns.
Engines are the heart of machinery and have the greatest impact on efficiency. Over time, these changes in engine design have led to less emissions and greater fuel efficiency. The newer engines do run hotter and they create more severe operating conditions. So it's essential that consumers use a high-quality lubricant to protect those engines that are running in sometimes extreme conditions.
While modifications and enhancements to emission systems are helping to improve the environment, they're also placing significant stress on engines to work harder than before.
The way that the engineering works is that the timing is retarded in order to reduce the flame temperature so that nitrous oxide isn't as large an emitter. Nitrous oxide is a precursor to ground level ozone. By reducing the combustion, soot is created. Unburned fuel in engine oil causes the engine oil to lose viscosity. It thins it out. The engine oil doesn't do as good a job keeping metal-to-metal contact from occurring. Coupled with the fact that soot can agglomerate and cause premature oxidation, puts huge stress on the engine oil.
It's all about protecting the investment at the farmer's maintenance equipment, and the simple way to do that is to use a high-quality lubricant that was designed for that particular application, that meets the current specifications, and in the end, that will lead to fewer breakdowns of equipment, longer running equipment, and more efficient operation.
Using high-quality lubricants keeps temperatures in check, reduces premature wear on internal components, and ensures equipment stays protected, helping to extend the working life of tractors and farm machinery.
Schaeffer oils are built to exceed those specifications over and above the requirements of either API or the OEMs. We do this through additive systems, and we do this through superior base stocks. Base stocks, about 80% of the engine oil. They provide the viscosity. And then the additives, about 20%, they help. Either they suppress undesirable properties or they impart new properties. One of the new properties it imparts is the detergency, which does not allow sludge to form.
You need a high-quality lubricant to really reduce downtime. Downtime is a key reliability figure for farmers. So if we can do oil sampling, extend drain intervals, look at that oil, maximize the potential of that oil, we can also look at the oil for future problems that might lead to downtime in the future. So oil analysis is a key component and a key reliability metric.
Not all lubricants are equal. The chemistry used when formulating products makes all the difference. Creating products based on a machine's specific operating environment and need can help equipment to run longer and operate more efficiently with less hassle.
One size doesn't fit all for lubrication. When you're operating a piece of equipment, the conditions that you're operating in, one time a year could vary to the next time of year. And what we try to do is we try to really design our lubricants for those specific conditions, and we make sure that our customers know to choose the right lubricant for that condition. Well, we design our lubricants at Schaeffer to exceed the OEM specification. So we're looking at reducing wear, increasing efficiency, reducing downtime. And if an OEM specification is kind of the bare minimum requirement, if you get something like fuel or antifreeze in your oil, that's going to be a problem. Our Schaeffer customers know that they have that extra protection if something like that were to occur, that they're covered. And so what we really try to do is keep the customer in mind. Our priority is really to protect the equipment of our customers.
Innovative lubricants provide strong engine durability and enhanced engine cleanliness. allowing customers to maximize efficiency and offset costs.
Specialized lubricants protect the engine and enhance cleanliness through the use of superior base oils and better additives and full treat rate of those additives.
With efficiency and durability at the forefront of mind, high-quality lubricants help to preserve equipment for longer service life and improved environmental benefits.
Lubricant manufacturers are always working with OEMs to develop the next generation of lubricants. And as the engines evolve and in some cases create more severe operating conditions, it'll be more essential than ever that the farmer use a high-quality lubricant to protect his investment. It also is a contribution to sustainability because over time the engine will last longer and the higher quality lubricant will not need to be replaced as often, leading to less used oil and better environment overall.